Okay, welcome back to Technique Tuesday. We've got Ryan on the bar today, so we're doing a bent over
Literally
row.
on the bar.
On the bar, chilling out as usual. He's got a pint and everything. He's going to be doing a bent over row, so he's going to keep his back nice and straight and row the bar up. So if you want to just get into the starting position, it's something a lot of people struggle with, is keeping their back straight. So obviously here he's very rounded. It's not how you're going to want to be in the row at all. It's all about hinging at the hips with a straight spine. So if you want to step back, just so you've got a bit of space, Ryan, you're going to get into your normal starting position, how you would. So he's keeping his knees soft, hinging with the hips going forwards. Look at that. Perfect. Spine nice and neutral. Back's engaged, core is engaged, knees are soft, he hasn't locked his legs out at all. And from there, just going to row it backwards. Good, so he's leading with the elbows, not thinking about just bringing the bar to him, thinking about pulling the elbows behind his body, keeping the same angle the whole time, and squeezing it around his back to really engage the muscles in the back. On the way down again, see how his body isn't moving? Right back to the start, and back up again. Good. Should you do a couple of reps for us, Ryan? Nice. So he's doing it with an overhand grip at the moment. You can also do it with an underhand grip, which is going to give you a bit more bicep activation. But for most people, the overhand grip is going to be fine. Work the muscles in the back. We'll just show you a couple with the underhand grip. So same position again. And he's just going to row it backwards again, leading with the elbows. So he's not trying to just curl the bar in, still bringing it back behind. This does also tend to let you get a little bit further back with your elbows just for mobility. And then squeezing it in. Keeps the elbows in close to your body. That was good. So if you want to show a couple of wrong positions, so with or without the bar, with the bar, we step back. So what people tend to do, Ryan's just going to show us with a rounded back, like that. Legs are too straight here. So you need to keep your knees softer, just to bring yourself in to a better position. Then rounded spine as well. What also tends to happen when people are doing it, they rise upwards as they're doing their reps. So if you do a few, gradually rise up. As fatigue sets in, people tend to stand up and turn it into more of an upright row or some kind of curl. So make sure you hold that position the whole time throughout. Core is tight, legs are nice and tight, but knees are soft throughout. And that there is a bent over row. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, comment, subscribe, send us a message of anything else you want us to cover in the future. Have a good day.